Today I'm using the bedded Tigi Wave Artist bedded Tigi Hot Head Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray in It's Style 24 Curl Booster and a finishing spray. Okay, I'm gonna start by parting my hair in the bottom layer. I'm gonna start to crimp the hair. So I'm gonna hold it down for about 8 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to continue the crimp where I last left off. That way it's more organized and crazy and sporadic. I'm just going to do this all over my hair. A curl booster that I got from Korea. I'm using a finishing hairspray. Voila! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you later.